Good morning, dear students. So, last class, intermediate second year, data interpretational non-verbal information. Data interpretational non-verbal information. So, it was one kind, that is table diagram. Yesterday, we have discussed first model about restaurants in table diagram. So it is another one model, table diagrams. So what is that? Health expenditure and health indicators in selected countries 2001. Health expenditure and health indicators in selected countries 2011. That table diagram as shown to health expenditure and health indicators in selected 2001. 2001లో ప్రపంచవ్యాప్తంగా దేశాలన్నీ WHO వరల్డ్ హెల్త్ ఆర్గనైజేషన్ సర్వే ప్రకారం ఏ దేశాలు ఎంత ఖర్చు చేసేవి అనేది ఈ టేబుల్ డయాగ్రామ్ లో చూద్దాం. సో దేనికి సో వాట్ కైండ్ టు ఎక్స్పెండిచర్ ఇన్ వేరియస్. So in the HDA rank 1, 7, 9, 13, 52, 58, 65, 89, 99, 104, 127 and 144 and 169. 13 ranks is given to WHO World Health Organization. Second row is indicated to country's name. So which countries? Norway, USA, United States of America, Japan, United Kingdom, UK, Cuba, Malaysia, Brazil, Azerbaijan, Sri Lanka, China, India, Pakistan, Ethiopia. So health expenditure as percentage of GDP. Health expenditure as percentage of GDP. GDP means gross domestic product. అంటే స్థూల దేశీయ ఉత్పత్తి in public and private. And fourth one, per capita expenditure on health PPP in dollars, public private product in dollar wise. Per capita and ikkada talasara adayam. Per capita expenditure on health. And fifth one, out of pocket expenditure on percentage of private expenditure. Again, out of pocket expenditure on percentage of private expenditure. Private expenditure. And life expectancy at birth. Life expectancy at birth. And IMR per 1000 live births. IMR per 1000 live births. So IMR అంటే infant mortality rate అంటే శిశు మరణాల రేటు. IMR immortality rate, infant mortality rate, శిశు మరణాల రేటు per 1000 live birth. 1000 మందికి ఎంతమంది శిశువులు చనిపోయారు, ఎంతమంది బ్రతుకున్నారు. సో పర్ క్యాపిటల్ జీడిపి డాలర్స్ అంటే పర్ క్యాపిటల్ తలసరి ఆదాయం గ్రాస్ డొమెస్టిక్ ప్రొడక్ట్ ఏ దేశాలు ఎంత ఖర్చు చేసేవి అనేది తెలుస్తుంది. సో లెట్ us the first rank Norway. The first rank country Norway. Health expenditure as percentage of GDP, public wise 60.9, private wise 1.2. Per capita expenditure on health 2920, and out of pocket expenditure on percentage of private expenditure 96.8, life expectancy at birth at 78.7, infant mortality rate per thousand life lives birth 4, and per capita GDP in dollars wise 36,974, and rank 7 country United States of America, health expenditure as percentage of GDP, public wise 6.2, private wise 2.2, and per capita expenditure on health 4,887, and out of pocket expenditure on percentage of private expenditure 76.5, and life expectancy at birth 76.9, and infant mortality rate per thousand live births 7, per capita GDP 34,946. Then ninth rank Japan, public 6.2, private 1.2, per capita expenditure on health 2,131, out of product expenditure on percentage of private expenditure Japan country 74.9, and life expectancy at birth Japan 81.3, and infant mortality rate per thousand live birth rate Japan 3, and per capita GDP Japan 32,540. అంటే 1000 మందికి చనిపోతున్న సంఖ్య ముగ్గురు జపాన్ లో. సో and 31 rank United Kingdom, public wise 6.2, private 1.4, per capita expenditure on health 1,989, out of pocket expenditure on percentage of private expenditure United Kingdom 55.3, and life expectancy at birth 77.9, infant mortality rate per thousand live births 6, and per capita gross domestic product in dollars wise United Kingdom 24,186, and 52 rank Cuba, 52 rank country Cuba, and public 6.2, private 0.1%, and per capita expenditure on health 229, out of pocket expenditure on percentage of private expenditure Cuba 76.8, life expectancy by Cuba is 76.5, and infant mortality rate per thousand live births Cuba is 7, per capita gross domestic product Cuba is $2,234, and 58th rank Malaysia country, public wise 2.1% and private 1.8%, per capita expenditure on health Malaysia 345, out of pocket expenditure and percentage of private expenditure in Malaysia 92.8, and life expectancy at birth rate Malaysia 72.8, infant mortality rate per thousand live birth Malaysia 8, and per capita gross domestic product in dollars Malaysia country $3,748, and 65 rate Brazil, public 3.2, private 4.4, and per capita expenditure on health in Brazil country 573, and out of pocket expenditure on percentage of private expenditure Brazil is 64.1 and life expectancy at birth Brazil is 67.8. Brazil infant mortality rate per thousand lives birth in Brazil country 31 and per capita gross domestic product dollars expenditure Brazil country $2,888. Then 89